What did you expect?
What'd you expect?
What did you expect?
What do you expect, Rodney?
What did you expect me to do?
Official channels had been compromised. What did you expect me to do?
You showered in our house?
You made me hold your children. What did you expect me to do?
Susan, don't be like this.
What did you expect? A hug?
Well, that was your first mistake. What did you expect?
I expected you to choose me.
But he cared about you. He's an ogre. What did you expect?
What did you expect? What, you want me just to drop everything? And this is my life.
The whole island was occupied. What did you expect?
I mean, really, what did you expect me to do? Just simply roll over and allow you to murder us?
What did you expect? I mean, look at what he's done to you.
Shrek loves me for who I am.
Hey, what did you expect? You're never around anymore.
I did it for us, Lance! You and me!
What did you expect? I loved you. And just because we broke up doesn't mean I could just turn it off like that.
You should have told us that you weren't a real king.
You never told me I'd have to fight anybody.
What did you expect, son?
I don't know, maybe a little fatherly advice.
What'd you expect? It was hanging on a wall in a trailer in Texas. And besides, I was never gonna be any use to you.
Why'd you try to kill me?
You lied to me. You opened the package. You broke the rules. Your rules. What'd you expect me to do? Recommend you for another job?